Whether you're trying to crush a work project, study effectively, or simply want to improve your concentration, understanding how your brain works is key. Let's get into it. Part 1. Understand your brain's focus mechanism. First, let's talk about how focus works on a biological level. Your ability to concentrate and stay on task is controlled by a brain chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is often called the motivation molecule. It surges when you accomplish a goal, even a small one, and encourages you to keep going. But here's the catch. Dopamine is highly responsive to habits and routines. If you constantly distract yourself with social media or jump between tasks, you're training your brain to seek instant gratification. This hijacks your dopamine system, making it harder to stay focused for long periods. So, step 1 in rewiring your brain for focus is to limit distractions and start building a routine that supports deep work. Part 2. Break tasks into smaller goals. Speaking of dopamine, one of the best ways to keep it flowing is by breaking tasks into smaller, manageable goals. Every time you complete a small task, you get a hit of dopamine, which helps sustain motivation. For example, let's say you're working on a big project that feels overwhelming. Instead of looking at it as one giant task, break it down. Set a timer for 25 minutes of focused work, take a short break, and repeat. This is often called the Pomodoro technique. Completing these short sprints gives you that dopamine boost and helps your brain build focus over time. Part 3. Optimize your environment for focus. Next, let's talk about environmental factors. Your surroundings can either help or hinder your ability to focus. The key is to create an environment that minimizes distractions and enhances concentration. Here's what you can do. Declutter your workspace. A messy desk can actually increase cognitive load and make it harder for your brain to concentrate. Keep only the essentials within reach. Use noise-canceling headphones or ambient noise apps if you're in a noisy environment. Research shows that certain sounds, like white noise or nature sounds, can improve concentration. Set up your lighting. Natural light is best, but if that's not possible, use bright, cool-toned lights, which have been shown to boost alertness. By optimizing your environment, you're signaling to your brain that it's time to focus. Part 4. Time your work with your biological clock. Now, let's talk about timing. Your brain has natural cycles of focus and rest throughout the day, known as your circadian rhythm. To maximize productivity, you need to sync your work with your body's natural rhythms. Most people experience peak focus in the morning, around 2 to 3 hours after waking up. This is when your brain is most alert, so try to schedule your most challenging tasks during this time. After lunch, your body naturally dips in energy, so this is a great time to do lower effort tasks. If you can align your work schedule with your ultradian rhythms, which are 90-minute cycles of high focus followed by a 15-minute dip, you'll improve both productivity and brain health. Part 5. Use strategic breaks to boost focus. Lastly, taking strategic breaks is just as important as focusing hard. Your brain needs recovery time to stay sharp and avoid burnout. However, not all breaks are created equal. Here's what to do. Take active breaks. Instead of scrolling on your phone, get up and move. Even a short walk can boost creativity and improve your mood. Incorporate deep breathing exercises. This can help reset your nervous system, calm your mind, and prepare you for your next round of focused work. Use the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This reduces eye strain and helps maintain focus throughout the day. To recap, rewiring your brain for peak focus and productivity comes down to a few simple steps. Reduce distractions, break tasks into smaller goals, optimize your environment, time your work with your biological clock, and take strategic breaks. The key is consistency. The more you practice these techniques, the more your brain will adapt, allowing you to focus longer and get more done in less time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed tips on optimizing your body and mind. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.